thunderstorm warning for northern Pickaway County, southeastern Madison County, southern Franklin County, Ohio, northeastern Fayette County, Ohio, western Fairfield County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Chinook, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-size hail. Locations impacted include Mount Sterling, Asheville. In addition, Big Plain, Derby, 5 Points, Darbydale, Harrisburg, Orient, Darbyville, and Commercial Point are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 71 between mile marker 78 and 100. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your reports via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Muskingum County, eastern Coshocton County, western Quincy County, southern Tuscarawas County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Farmerstown to near Dresden to Lancaster, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Zanesville, New Philadelphia, Coshocton, Cambridge, Archesville, Newcomerstown, Denison, New Concord, Byesville, West Lafayette, Sugar Creek, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Nadenhutton, Tuscarawas, Baltic, Midvale, Philo, and Port Washington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh.